What's going on, fam? Welcome back to another video today. Today's gonna be like a sort of a little update video. The car is still in the shop right now. Just to show you guys real quick, I have been on the move. You know, I've been working so much. I just bought another GoPro because you guys know when the car is finished, man, these racing videos are gonna be crazy. Tons of racing videos, tons of pro racing digs, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're in my area, be ready. You're gonna be getting called out and stuff. So let's see. Okay, so I spoke with my mechanic. He told me that the car should be done around New Year's or before New Year's, and currently it is December 18th, as you guys can see, if you guys can see. And by the way, it's really 6:48. I'm sorry for the lack of content, you guys, but like I said, it's 6:48 right now, and the sun freaking goes down at like 5:30, and I don't get out of work till about 6 o'clock. And by the time I get home, it's literally pitch black, and it freaking sucks. That's why I hate this freaking time of year right now. But you know, this little update video is gonna have to do. I've been working all freaking week, even into the weekend, and then this last weekend I had it off, but I just rested the whole weekend, so that's why you guys didn't see a video last week on Tuesday. I'm gonna show you guys one more thing that I bought. So this is a little sneak peek for you guys, the guys that watch all my videos. So as you guys can see right here, this is the Pioneer double din screen. This is gonna be going inside the car. I'm pretty stoked for this. I do have the 0304 bezel for it, the double din bezel, and I'll be showing you guys exactly how to mount it and stuff like that. And I do have some other stuff, but I cannot show you yet. I'm gonna show you when the car gets back, but it is literally sitting right here, and I'm super stoked for that. What else did I get? I have some stuff on the way, you guys. It's gonna be freaking amazing. But what else was I gonna say? Sorry guys, I basically had a freaking brain fart right there. But I've been trying to, you know, rush this guy and go because just as much as you guys want to see content, I do too. You know, I miss my car so much. I've been trying to get some long tube headers for this thing, and I haven't been able to. And you know, I've been just trying to figure out a way how to do it, because he said that he might be able to slip the long tubes in there when the heads are out. So you know, I don't know how tight it is going to be in there, but he said he might be able to. So that's the plan he was going to try to do. The heads are all assembled right now. All he has to do is just find some time and slap it together, you know. He is a Ford tech over that Ford, but he is pretty slammed over there right now, so that's probably, I mean, that's the reason why it's taking forever. One more thing guys, if you guys don't already, please do yourself a favor and follow my Instagram. My Instagram is gonna be right here. Go and follow it right now. If you guys don't have Instagram, this is probably why you haven't seen these. Check it out. These are our first very own 4.6 Chris stickers, and I believe I bought like 30 of them, and I posted them up on Instagram, and I only have 9 left, you guys. So this is why I wanted to make this video for you guys. Just to let you guys know, if you guys do want one of these, I'm gonna let you guys, yeah, so if you guys did want one of these, they're only $5, and I cover the shipping, so I only make like 3 something on them, you know what I'm saying? So $5, and I cover the shipping. If you guys want to, message me right here, as I said, on Instagram. It's 4.6 Chris. And if you guys just don't have an Instagram and you guys don't feel like making one, I'll leave my email in the description below also, if you guys want to just email me, and I'll let you know if one's still available. So you know, it's first come first serve. Whoever saw this video first, whoever wants one of these and they message me first, I'm going to get your shipping information and all that stuff and should send them out to you guys. So if you want one of these, yeah, definitely hit me up. They're only $5, guys, and they support the build, they support me, and whoever buys these actually gets exclusive sneak peek look at the merch and the exclusive merch. I'm not gonna be My first drop, I'm not gonna drop like tons and tons of merch, so whoever bought these stickers, I know it's kind of unfair to you guys, I'm sorry. If you guys email me separately and tell me that you guys want it and these are sold out, we could maybe work something out. But whoever bought these is getting an exclusive sneak peek and a sneak buy at the merch also. So yeah, man, that's pretty cool. So like I said, guys, if you want some of those, hit my Instagram or message me on my email. If you guys want to do them, $5, that's all it takes, man. And you support your boy and the movement he is trying to make. Oh man, that was a long day at work today. Like I said, man, the week before that, it was about a 70-hour work week, so that sucked. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the car, man. I miss it so freaking much. If you guys don't follow me, you need to go follow me right now and stop and quit playing, man. We do awesome content on there. I have about 3,024 followers on there right now. I just posted this video of the SLPs because they've been getting so much freaking hate lately, and everybody's just on the Borla bandwagon, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really care, I'm still holding it down. SLP, they sound freaking amazing. Like, if you guys haven't heard them in person, you need to hear them in person. And with these long tubes and cams, oh my god, they would sound so freaking amazing. But without further ado, guys, I just want to give y'all a little update. The car should be coming very soon. First startup, going to get the car and all that stuff is gonna be all on video, you guys, so just be aware of that. And you know, I'm beat, man, so I'm gonna take a shower and get ready for work in the morning. But without further ado, man, thank y'all so much for watching. If this is y'all's first time watching, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next video. Thank y'all so much for all the support. It's 4.6 Chris. We're out, boys. Peace.